the best to you from Kmart Radio. KMRT.
Hey guys, I'm here at Don's Grill with my mom and EpicBLUE Rat, and
Maiden North Carolina.
I'm trying this place for the first time because this is not your McDonald's or Burger King. This is a family-owned business type thing. There's only one in existence. So, this is a Philly Cheesesteak. A North Carolina Philly Cheesesteak.
Ranch. Very good. It's mixed with like sour cream or something. Good.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. Here's the Philly cheesesteak meat. Right there.
And napkin.
And here's the cheese. Melty. Look at the mushroom. That's a good mushroom. Let's try the fries. I'll try one plain. Good fry, or generic fry. Not salty at all. Let's try the ranch. Delicious. It's always the home, family-owned businesses that always taste really good. I'd recommend this to anyone. Please come to Don's Grill and get yourself a Philly cheesesteak.
It's in Maiden, North Carolina.
Good stuff. And subscribe to this guy's channel, EpicBLUE RAT999. You know I always link that to my stuff. What?
I thought you had milkshakes too.
I thought you got your shake. Oh. So that's all for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this image and you'll come here if you're nearby or you're visiting.